Let's try this GCSE computer science question. This is 20 marks of the paper and there are 3 main functions. Let's give this question a read. First, they present us with the data structure. All of the functions are asking us to analyze and perform an algorithm on this data. The first function is asking us to find the total amount of books read and the average between students. The second function is asking us to find any students who have read fewer than 10 books, and the final function is asking us to find the top 3 readers. Firstly, some prerequisites to go through are being able to use a for loop, if conditions, and functions. A function is a reusable block of code that performs a specific task and can be called when needed. An if condition checks if a condition is met, and if so, it performs a task. You can make it so that the program carries out different commands if the condition isn't met. A for loop is a programming method that repeats a block of code a set number of times or iterates over each item in a sequence. In this example, the for loop iterates through each item in the fruits list and temporarily assigns it to the variable fruit, then prints it. To map out this question, we need to look at the requirements. We can notice that all the functions need us to go through all the items in the list of lists, so we know we need to have a for loop in each function. The first function is asking us to find the total amount of books read and the mean. We can find both of these by adding the book count of each student to a total counter. Then we can go a step further for the mean and divide by the total amount of students, which we can find by finding the length of the main list. The second part is asking us to find the IDs of the students who didn't read more than 10 books. We can use an if condition inside the for loop to check if each student has read under 10 books. The final part is asking us to find the top 3 readers. There are a few ways we can find this. In both methods, we are sorting the list. In the first one, we can sort through the list using a built-in method and take only the top 3 readers. For the second one, we are going to go through it a bit more manually. We are sorting the list, but only accounting for the top 3 users. We are not accounting for the rest of the list. This video has been brought to you by Memseed Academy.